It's about 80 degrees out and I'm getting ready to go out and do some heat testing with the Mighty-Mite Fans. Going to do a long run to get it totally heat soaked without the fans on and establish a baseline temperature. Then I'm going to do the same run with the fans on and get the temperature of everything with the fans running on the same run. Then I'm going to go do some around town riding, stop and go, slow moving riding without the fans and then with the fans. And I'll probably do a run where I go for a little while without the fans and then turn them on for 10 or 15 minutes and see how much it cools it down just riding for 10 or 15 minutes after it's been heated up. Finished the first test. Gonna go do some driving around town traffic, stop and go without the fans, measure what the temperature is, and then do it with the fans, measure what the temperature is. Just done the second to the last run, 15 minutes at 55 miles an hour. Wrote down the numbers. Now we're getting ready to, and that was with no fans. Now we're getting ready to do the same exact run, same speed with the fans on and get those numbers down, and we'll be done with all the stopping and going of the heat testing with the fans. Made a circuit with stop signs and stop lights, pretty much following the speed limit, recorded down the temperatures. I'm pretty sure it would have kept getting hotter if I would have kept going, but I did not want to get my engine any hotter than that. I'm going to let the engine cool down just a tad to where it was when I started that circuit, and then I'm going to do that circuit again with the fans on, and we'll see what we get. Just finished up all the heat testing with the Mighty-Mite Fans. They work pretty good and definitely worth putting on your bike or trike. I wouldn't run one without it. And it's pretty warm out, 89 degrees ambient. Been getting on and off the bike, recording, measuring all the temperatures, recording all the temperatures. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please hit the subscribe button. And we'll see you in the next one.